Finally, a strange video that has gone virus on the internet. It shows about 20 turkeys on the street walking in a circle around a dead cat, just walking in a circle. Nobody's quite sure why they're walking in a circle, these 20 turkeys.
Is this about?
A few a few experts think they probably just went in for a closer look, then maybe started following each other and got stuck in a loop because they're not very smart. One biologist said that maybe the turkeys were just getting a closer look to make sure that the cat was not a threat anymore. It's more of a curiosity type of thing.
Dude, you wake up and you see this happening outside of your window. This is The Leftovers on HBO.
This is so creepy.
This is something, this is an omen. This is an omen. Something's going to rise out of that circle like some gigantic turkey god raises out. The ritual is complete. This is one of the scariest things I've ever seen.
Yeah. It's, I read about crows recently, and they'll check out dead animals, especially other dead crows. And I read that, the scientists think that, some people think it's like, oh, they're having a funeral like elephants, we'll circle dead elephants. But other experts say, well, maybe they're getting in for a closer look to check out what happened, maybe see why the crow is dead, so they gather information to benefit themselves.
They're learning from the death of a comrade, so as to not go through that.
Right.
So what is this ring of satanic turkeys learning about someone's dead cat?
Maybe
Nurse Sprinkles.
Maybe just like one of these biologists I quoted just to make sure it's not a threat anymore. But there's got to be a reason behind it.
So, like the cat's going to spring up and take them all on. I mean, they got the numbers advantage. At JSS98Rock, there's a great GIF of this, if I'm pronouncing that right. A great GIF. I'm going to retweet that right now. Horrifying.
Oh, we know so little.
We know so little about the way
Although
nature
Spiegel
works.
is doing his damnedest to learn it all. God, how often do you read about birds?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I've been obsessed with birds, and I've been reading a lot about birds.
Wow.
I'm not saying I'm an expert or anything.
No,
It's just for some reason I've been interested in birds. I want to become a bird.
I think you want to lay down in the backyard, cover yourself in birdseed, and be torn apart by cockatoos.
What would you do if I walked in one day and I had surgically implanted giant wings? Like I have to walk in the door sideways.
Gigantic Josh wings. Hi, everyone.
They're not even like surgically, surgically implanted is weird. But let's just say one day he shows up with some sort of, fake wings that he just starts to wear around. What do we do? Do we just ignore it?
Who
go,
says
hey,
something? Hey, bud, did you get your hair cut?
And then guests come in and they'll be like, what's up with the... And we just have to kind of just roll with it because he's the news genius and we need him and we love him. But we just all of a sudden he shows up one day wearing wings.
He identifies as a bird, and in 2017,
it's gonna happen.
Yeah, he's avian neutral. We have to.
Yeah.
Hey there, Josh.
When I completely lose my mind, that's
everything
what it's
okay over there?
Hey, bud. Everything cool?
How you doing today? What do you got?
Well, the weather's coming up. It's right around the corner.
What are you wearing over there, buddy? What's that? Those wings?
What do you have
wings you got on there, buddy?
for breakfast? Is that a bowl of seed?
Wow. Okay. Is this gonna be an everyday thing now, Josh?
Yes.
Josh, get off the roof!
Okay.
You'd find him perched on the B at the WBAL. Just like a psychopath.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to do that one day. Definitely.
Mike, get Josh a pair of wings. I got like a little fairy wings at home that Stella wears, but we need like more bird-like wings.
No, we need something majestic, something they're heavy. I wouldn't mind to see a couple of Big Bird-style foot attachments with the 3 talons sort of thing.
Yeah.
Like some bird feet.
I don't want to alarm you.
We're 20 minutes past that, homie.
Don't want to alarm you, but I did recently get a book, a guide to bird nests.
You, dude.
A guide. It's got pictures of all different kinds of bird
We
nests.
come in. Josh's chair's gone. and it's just a huge pile of sticks that he's made into a nest.
Would black wings work for you?
Yeah.
I mean, I found a pair for $40. HalloweenCostumes.com. Large black feathered wings for $40.
I bet black wings are thinning.
I'd go in on a beak attachment.